Umahi is a murderer. Umahi of Ebonyi State is a murderer. See them shooting at innocent Nigerians. See them innocent Nigerians that came out to work for Peter Obi. Innocent Nigerians that came out to work for our country. See them shooting at us.
Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us or you are seeing this platform for the first time, please do well to drop your 1 cent opinion in the comment section after watching this particular update. I still remain your one and only Progress News, bringing it to you live and direct. So my wonderful family, today I brought another one that happened live and direct in Ebonyi State today. Today the youth turned out for Peter Obi 1 million march, but guess what? It did not end up the way they planned. This is a country whereby you don't need a prophet to tell you, you don't need a prophet to encourage you. You encourage yourself. Just imagine the way that our sister was shouting, they are shooting us, they are shooting us. Still, the bullet were still going out. Imagine what happened at Ileki. To this very moment, nobody says anything about it. That is how they will just waste your life and nobody will come out to talk to you. In fact, the people that sustain injury today and the one that they delete, who else will go and ask after them? Nobody. This is what happened year to year. Now tell me, if really Nigeria is for you, as you claim, I'm not saying don't believe in what you believe. If really Nigeria is for you, what prevent these people, or what happened, or what is the big deal of people that are coming out to protest or campaign, and at the end of the day look at what is happening to them in their own states? People from Ebonyi State, they let them understand that Ebonyi State does not belong to Peter Obi and can never belong to Peter Obi. That is why they are passing through this torture they were passing through today. People that say there is no election, you have no reason to hate them or to speak trash about them because of what they have seen. This is some of the situation whereby people say there is no election because it is obvious. It has been like this ages. Anytime that there is election, that is when the people will come out and begin to make promises upon promises, making vows upon vows, telling the people that this is what they will do to them just because of the seat president. And at the end of the day, after the election, that is all. You continue from your suffering. So people are now wise to call themselves to order to say that there is no election. Election in Nigeria is a scam. They are just scamming people. Now tell me, what will be the benefit of those who said we want a better country, we want a better Nigeria? That is why we are campaigning for Peter Obi to beat the next president. But tell me, will Tinubu accept that? Will Atiku accept that? What are they not saying? They are not grouping Peter Obi that Peter Obi is from southeastern part of Nigeria. That means they don't want to have anything to do with him. But believe me, the truth got to be told here. Do you remember what Tinubu spit out of his mouth? He said he helped Muhammadu Buhari 2015, and now is the time of payback, that the position or the seat belong to him alone as Tinubu or no one else. And now, for everything that is taking place, for everything that is happening, you see that Muhammadu Buhari is not even ready to intrude. Rather, after Tinubu's speech, Muhammadu Buhari came out and said that he don't want to intrude in this politics. He wants the people to decide, blah, blah, blah. All this, they are all scam. Just imagine the people that went for campaign at Ebonyi State today. What happened to them? Some of them go home with injury. A lot of things take place, and they were even saying, even if you like to tear gas us and you don't tear gas us, we will still continue to raise up our voice for Peter Obi. Mr. One Nigeria, do you want to be harmed before you know that the country does not belong to you? What type of language do you want people to use to speak to you for you to understand that the country is not for you? or for you to understand or to believe in your fact that the country does not belong to you. My people, it is high time you shine your eyes very well. Do you know that these people, they have their own way of enticing the brain of the people, the brain of the common man? They use your brain. What I am saying in the country today is that they now remove the chain from our hands, our legs, that they used to tie people bound in slavery in those days, many years ago. They now enslave our brain, in the sense that the youth no longer use their brain to reason anymore. Can you imagine what was going on today right in Ebonyi State? Only what they can do is just to shout, oh, Devil Man, you send these people, Devil Man, you send these people. I'm not a fan of Dave Umahi, but how sure are you that is Dave Umahi? These people can be from anywhere. They can be from anywhere, because there are a lot of people that believe that Peter Obi will never sit on that throne. It might even be someone that is so close, someone from Ebonyi State, someone that is so close, opposition party, or even a friend. Do you know that there are a lot of people that do not love Peter Obi? There are a lot of people that do not even want to see him. In fact, they dislike him. But because they just assume that, okay, since they are zooming into the southeastern part of Nigeria, they should just follow suit. If not, when you look at them inwardly, you will know that they are against Peter Obi. See, let me tell you something. Do you know that they've already classified Peter Obi, that since he's coming from the southeastern part of Nigeria, he can never become the president of Nigeria? See, the earlier for you to understand the situation of the people why they are shouting that there is no election, the better for you. I heard of someone that is saying, oh, we have to go and try our luck. See, you've been trying your luck for many years. It remains stigma. It remains the same thing. So what prevents you? So what prevents you from taking your stand this time around, after those years of failure, after those years of not making you to achieve what you want to achieve, and you are still ready to delete yourself because of those people? Don't you know that election in Nigeria is a scam? Do you really think that they have to open up their ears and say Peter Obi should just take it just like that after all that Tinubu have said? I've been hearing a lot of people saying that they want to try their luck, that after 2023 election, if they did not hand over the battle for Peter Obi, then they are going to call for revolution. Will you wait for that time before you decide? Then the world will look at you like someone that is not serious. So you don't need to blame people that are saying there is no election because it's all scam. Look at what happened to our brothers, our sisters today in Ebonyi State. Come on, be wise and follow the right direction. So my realistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.